The Tinkercad cruise feature just got an upgrade. I'm here to tell you about it, so let's get cracking. This is Tinkercad.com. It is 100% free and the absolute easiest way to learn computer-aided design. We're going to start today's project by simply hitting Create New 3D Design. I like to start by naming projects. I'm going to call this one Cruise 101. If this is your first time seeing Tinkercad, I have several day one tutorials. You can find them with this playlist right here. In Tinkercad, we generally build with basic shapes. You can bring these out, and in the past couple years, the cruise feature has been added. This allows you to move it to a different face on the project. You can grab whatever you want and cruise it where you think it should be. Now, the brand new feature that's just been added is that we can click the letter C and we've got cruise options. We can use the shape's default handle, like you can see I'm grabbing it right here. So then when we click C again, check out how this can be different. Right now the handle is on the shapes work plane, but if I want the handle to be based off the work plane of the project, bang, now I can grab it here and look at this wild orientation where we can set it on top using what was the shapes work plane. Okay, this gets even cooler. You ready for this? This is the shape one. Of course, we've got the old work plane handle. Under custom, looking at it from this angle, I can grab this handle and all of a sudden set this on top here, or I can keep that same orientation and bring it all the way over there. Let's just do this again because I think it's pretty wild. Once again, when you first cruise it out, it'll cruise wherever you want, and notice it also snapped to the default side. If I click this again, hit the letter C, of course this is cruising with the shapes work plane, but then I can also hit C, and this time if I just choose custom, I can say, hey, I want that point, and I want to stack it here. I want to stack it on the work plane. I could also put it on this face. No idea why I would want to put it there, but if I need to set it back down again, I can hit C. I can use the shapes work plane, but if I had to have it on this edge, once again, C, and I can do custom, and I can pick this edge and bang, stand it up just like that. Once again, when you press C, we now have three options: shape mode, the real work plane mode, or the custom that uses any face on your shape. How cool is that? So a quick wrap up, of course, friends, that's the brand new cruise feature. 3 different ways to put it to good use. I would love to hear in the comments which way you think is going to be most useful. I do want to quickly say thank you to everybody that supports me via YouTube memberships. Don't forget there are 3 levels of support starting as low as $5 a month. With any level of support, you get early access to videos. Make sure you also pay attention for those members only posts. A massive shout out as well to everybody that supports me via Patreon. Love how that group is growing. We've got a fantastic free messaging area. You can post designs, ask questions, gain skills. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly up above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe. You're helping HLModTech get just a little bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.